Guys, it's Reese from the Reese Corner channel. Today we look at the Sun and Moon shoulder wider plushies. So yeah, if you've been on this channel for a while, you know I did a video on three shoulder wider plushies in one video, and those were the Freddy shoulder wider, the Vanny shoulder wider, and the Cupcake shoulder wider. So now I'm going to look at the Sun and Moon shoulder wider. So yeah, let's start off with the Sun one first. So here's the Sun shoulder wider. Something to keep note of is the platform looks exactly the same. Or I'm going to say the platform. Yeah, I guess it's a platform where it has I believe it's a magnet inside that makes it stick to your shoulder. It's the same as the Freddy, Vanny, and Cupcake one, where it's the checker mark pattern on the walls and floors of the pizzerias. So yeah, other than that, here's the plushie itself. It looks really cool. If you saw my video yesterday where I talked about the Sun and Moon or the daycare attendant plushie, where it was basically two plushies in one, where one side was Sun, one side was Moon. This is basically that, but it's just a Sun plush. But they're separate. I mean, sorry. And yeah, so here it is. It looks pretty cool. Since they're now separated, you can see there are some details that are missing. For example, I have to check for both of these real quick. It's hard to see with Moon, but oh yeah, you can kind of see underneath the cap. In the game, which I have these images pulled up here, you can't see them for these renders I have pulled up. They're only from the front of the characters, not from the back. But trust me, at the back of these characters in the game, there's like a electrical panel with exposed wires and cords and stuff. Basically showing their head attached via this little metal pole. It's a really cool attention to detail. But these plushies don't have that. They just have yellow. They just have what you would expect from the back of their heads if they were I guess these are more interpretations of I guess you say the cartoon versions of these characters, not as much the animatronics. So yeah. Other than that, these look really cool. Something I did mention in my previous video, the Youtooz styled eyes actually really works for these characters. I know some people don't like the Youtooz style eyes on the FNAF characters because they don't think it fits with fits with the characters. But I think for this it actually works. If you look at Sun's eyes, his eyes are they're not the exact shape, but I don't know, it fits, you know. Same goes to Moon. The Youtooz style eyes just seem to work with these characters. But yeah, other than that, there's not much else to talk about. If you want to see me talk in depth about the plushie designs, I recommend check out yesterday's video, which was of the Sun and Moon plush that was both of them together. So yeah, that's about it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe, check out the players on the channel, and yeah, see ya.